Welcome to the demo tutorials of Child Journal. In this video, you'll understand your way around Child Journal. Let's start by selecting the collapse menu icon on the top left side of your device. When you enter this window, you can see 4 buttons: the Home, Profile, Payments and Invoices, and Settings buttons. Each button, once selected, directs you to its destination. For example, when you click Home, you are automatically taken to the home screen. The Profile button lets you see personal information, check-in and out codes, account information, and emergency pickup details. You can edit any of this information at any time except the check-in and out codes. To edit, simply tap over the section you want to modify and enter your changes, and then click Save and OK. You'll also see a Payments and Invoices button that we will discuss in further detail for you in a separate video, so please stay tuned for this demo. Then there's the Settings button. Once you've selected your settings, you will see a new window with push notifications. Push notifications are messages that pop up on your mobile device. When you download an app, you get to decide whether you want to receive notifications from the app. Child Journal has 3 types of notifications: announcements, messages, and activities. You can toggle each of these notifications to turn them on or off. When you turn them on, you are allowing the application to send you notifications even when you are not using the app. To ensure that you receive each of these notifications, toggle the button to the right. Now, if you'd like to sign out of the application, simply click the red Sign Out button located at the bottom of the notifications. This will immediately sign you out of Child Journal. You'll also find a help function toward the bottom that you can refer to anytime you need additional assistance. Now, in the home page, you can see your children's names. Each name can be clicked on so you can see a history of activities that have been performed by your child. On the top right, you can also find a Generate button. The Generate button lets you generate a specific activity or all activities of a specific date. For example, let's suppose you want to see all of the activities for Isabella of a specific date. Simply input the date and select Generate to enter your submissions. In this same window, you can also find an Edit button in the header right next to the child's name. This function lets you view the student profile. You can find essential information in the student profile like emergency contact information, student allergies, and sign-in and out codes. Most of these selections can be edited, so please update the information anytime it's necessary to do so by tapping over the area you want to edit and then click Save and OK. In the home screen, you can also find a Messages button and an Announcements button. Let's discuss the Messages first. When you select this option, you'll see a list of teachers for each of your kids that you can message anytime you need to contact them. For example, let's suppose you want to ask Chris's teacher Jane about his academic progress. Simply select the teacher, tap over the message bar to input your message, and then click Send. Now, the Announcement button keeps you in the know of any event or occasion happening at your child's center. You can refer to this button anytime you want to see what teachers or staff members are posting about the school. You have now finished understanding your way around Child Journal. Don't forget to check out the rest of our demo videos for any future help.